It increases productivity and saves time.
It will change the way so many commercial operations work.
This is the type of personalization people are looking for.
It's a way to positively impact our community.
It's a type of future we all imagine.
Well, imagine no more.
BOSCH Automated Valet Parking is the first fully automated and driverless parking system.
It's a technology that harnesses IoT.
It's the infrastructure controlling the vehicle in an automated and safe fashion.
Just push a button on an app, send your car to park.
If it's an electric vehicle, we can move potentially to and from the charge station.
And then when you're ready to retrieve it, you push the button again, and it's there, completely driverless and ready for use.
As part of the solution, we're using stereo cameras that are installed into the parking garage to watch for people, other vehicles, observing the environment at all times, and allow the vehicle that's under automated control to stop always in a safe manner.
BOSCH Automated Valet Parking fulfill all the critical safety requirements like the ISO 26262 for road vehicles functional safety.
The thing that excites me is its simplicity. The vehicle need not have any new sensors on it.
The vehicle needs some basic requirements to work with automated valet parking, and most vehicles made today have all those features.
We can harness technology that's in the marketplace today to allow our cars to park themselves. This is really cool.
With automated valet parking, we can lead the transformation and anticipate this transition into the new mobility ecosystem.
And this technology really allows us to design our urban landscapes around people.
So to the extent that we can inspire developers to think beyond their single parcel and understand what parking can unlock in terms of new technologies, what mobility, whether that's first and last mile logistics, electrification of vehicles, it is really an opportunity for developers to take it to the next level.
In a logistics application, we see the opportunity for the driver of the vehicle to return back to the hub, drop the vehicle off, and from there, all the processes that normally they'd have to move the vehicle through, automated valet parking can actually move the vehicle through. Also in a manufacturing environment, at the end of line, the vehicle, once it's powered up, could drive itself through multiple stages of the final assembly process and then move itself off the assembly line without the assistance of a driver. We see the opportunity to automate the rental car quick turnaround process. This would include everything from drop-off all the way until pickup of the next renter.
BOSCH Automated Valet Parking has so many applications, and collaborating, we are finding many more.
So BOSCH is in a really unique position to help deliver on automated valet parking. Our tagline's invented for life, and we're able to leverage both our technology in our building realm as well as our technology in our mobility realm, bring them together to deliver this automated valet parking technology to many different scenarios. Automated valet parking.
It's a way to make vehicle operations easier and more efficient.
It's a way to positively impact our communities.
It's safe and secure.
It's a way to deliver personalized experiences.
It's here now.
It's ready now.
This is how we are invented for life.